The Blizzard of 2010, Part 2. I think Gabe is in the front. Looks like Gabe is trying to do a full snowblow job. Yeah, that's the big poplar tree. Ah! We try not to think about that tree falling on the house. Trying to be steadier too in my photography skills. Oh, there he is. Ah! My fingers are almost numb. I've been out here for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Don't know how much longer I'm gonna last. You can see, or maybe you can't, maybe you can. We've lost our mailbox. There he is. Oh my god, so cold. My fingertips are seriously hurting. Alright, I gotta get out of the line of fire. There we go. Blizzard!